All right, well, we are at the brand new K1 Speed in Thornton. Just did my first race, and I forgot my microphone, so I wasn't mic'd up, but when they up the speeds, man, this track is fun. So these are also the same karts that I race in Overdrive. As you can see, they're a little bit different. They've got the fenders on them. I think Overdrive opted not to have the fenders, which I think is a smart move. But otherwise, yeah, they're really nice karts. All the employees seem chill. Let me let you in on a little secret. K1 Speed has a creator program now where if you're a content creator, you can sign up, say what dates you're coming in, and then if you're bringing a camera, they'll allow you. Because usually K1 doesn't allow other cameras, like 360 cameras. You have to rent one from K1. So what I did is I signed up for that program. I let them know they weren't really sure if the program even existed. It does. The program does exist. And because of that, they're letting me use my camera, which is nice. Now, the secret is they never actually got back to me on the form. I submitted it, but I haven't heard back. I did it like twice. So I saw, when I walked in here, there were some people wearing Rylance Racing shirts. Now, Rylance Racing is actually a professional karting team here in Colorado, and the guys look legit. I mean, they had like what's the chest pads and like the side pads or whatever, vests on, and they looked intense. Now, I also looked at their times. They were running 31s. And for that last race, my first time out, I ran like a 32.5 or something like that. So I'm a little off the pace still. But it only took me a few laps for them to actually give me speed 4. Usually they only do speed 3 for newbies in the race, but they gave me speed 4 last time, which is very appreciated. So that's gonna be our goal. We're gonna try and get a 31-second time around this track. Hopefully this kart treats me well. I have no idea the fall off between these karts, how they feel. I can tell you that the track feels super slick. Obviously it should. It's only been open for like 3-4 weeks now. So really still warming up the track, but it's fun. It's bumpy, but that uphill and downhill is amazing. Literally so cool. So I'm gonna keep figuring out my line, what turns I can take flat out, especially in speed 4, because I'm doing a lot of lifting, and there are actually braking zones on this track, which is really sick and something I'm not used to, so that's pretty neat. And there were like, I wanna say 10 people in my last race, and I don't think it was even a full race, so workers to see if they're gonna tell me to take my camera down, but I think we're in the clear. Also, it's hot in here. Granted, it's really hot outside, but damn, it's hot in here. Something that's also different with these karts comparatively to the ones that we race at Overdrive, like they're the exact same model kart, exact same, but the fenders, and then there's paddle shifters on these ones. Now, they don't do anything for obvious reasons. I don't think they can trust people to actually race with paddles, but it's sick that they exist, and these karts are so clean. They remind me of when Overdrive just got their brand new karts. They were very fresh. Also, I never really race in shorts, and I don't even have my karting shoes on. These are shoes that are not designed for karting, at least for me. You know, it's like running on a different pair of shoes. You notice. It's a little different. Now I've got driving shoes that I just didn't bring because I'm silly. So we're trying to get better than a 32.5. All right, we are raising the steering wheel just a little bit up than my usual. All right, let's see what we can do. Oh, this car feels nice. I think I'm gonna lower the wheel. Yeah, I think that's a little more comfortable for me. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people ahead of us. Let's see what we can do. Oh, he's making a move up the inside on the pace lap. Bro's insane, he's insane. Okay, let's go. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, speed 3 again. I'm gonna tell him to increase my speed when we go past the front straight. Oh, this kart feels so much better than my last one. It's kind of insane. Up. Speed up. Speed up, please. I want to go. Let me loose. Speed up. Yes. Thank you. There we go, now we're cooking. Can I go flat out here yet? No, you gotta do a little bit of a lift. Can't wash out wide. I just lost so much time. No boost, that's tough. We're gaining on this guy. Do I send it up the inside on this guy? Nah. Nah. How about here? There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, this turn I'm having trouble with. We've got some open road now. Yeah, this is the that's the trickiest part of the track right there. Okay, I didn't brake there for the first time. Definitely saved some speed. Okay, now chuck it. Yes, full speed, chuck it. Yes, sir. Okay, let's try this again. No brake, just let off. I think that skidding might just be losing me too much time. Oh yeah, wide spread there. Oh, that is such a tight corner, man. I don't know what my time said. I might have been a 31.7. Oh yeah. Oh no, we were cooking. We were cooking that lap and we got slowed. Bringing her home. P1. 31 it said on the board. Oh yeah, this kart felt great. Definitely still figuring out the corners, but we're getting there. So yeah, what do we have to do here? It's like the latest apex of all time on that little hairpin there. Yeah, what did we run? 31.1. Best lap 31.1. I bet we can run a 30. I bet a 30 is possible. Race number 3. We're starting at the front of the field this time. And I'm a little worried. We've got a full race with a lot of new timers. First time racers here. So if we want to get a 30-second lap time, we're gonna have to walk in here early. But I think we can do it. I think it's in the cards. We'll see how this kart handles at the beginning. And then we'll continue experimenting with lines and hopefully not overcooking it. All right, let's cook. I kind of want to back up into these guys because I don't want to just like run into them at the very start, but I think that might be off the cards. All right, well, this should be entertaining regardless. Oh yeah, speed 4, baby. Oh, and this kart feels good. Oh, that's nice. Whew, that's bumpy. Okay, well, that is a tricky section right there. Oh, it's bumpy off the racing line on that straight 2. All right, let's see what we can do about the bumps here. I think maybe a small lift will do us a lot. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, that is an interesting corner. That left-hander there. Let the car roll open. Nice. Slight lift here, I think, does a lot. Okay, that might actually be the best way to take this. Oh, traffic. Oh, traffic. Oh, that's good. That's good. Good traffic navigation. Woo! We're on rails right now. Woo! Understeer, holy cow. We're getting that corner down. That wasn't the best corner there. Hop on the brakes. Let the car just do its thing. This corner, that wasn't a horrible lap. That honestly felt really good. Skidding all over the place. I think I saw my name with a 30 in front of it. We might have gotten our 30-second lap. And we're cooking. Traffic. We're cooking. Honestly, I think it looks kind of crazy. I was there at the apex. I don't know what to tell you. It looks crazy when I'm passing all these guys, but I'm on speed 4 and they were on speed 3. So it's really not that impressive. Oh, she bent it. She bent it. Oh, traffic. What am I gonna do? This should get us open air. No! Damn it, what did we run? 38. 30.8, that's 2 seconds in front of the rest of the field. Oh man, not able to improve. But I want to do grid races on this track so bad. Oh my God. We gotta get the homies to come to this track. Dude, I'm so happy right now. This was so much fun. This is the corner right here that I think I need to have work on. It's really this last sector of the track that I think I need to work on. But yeah, we're cooking, we're feeling good. That was fun. 30.883. That was my best lap time and I lapped everyone. K1 Speed Thornton, absolutely great time. Definitely gonna make more content here in the future, and yeah, that was fun. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.